We have the honoring of Dr. R. Ravi Kumar from the Mechanical Engineering Department. Kindly give them a round of applause, please. Now we have with us Dr. R.V.G. Menon from Mechanical Engineering Department. Dr. R.V.G. Menon from Mechanical Engineering Department. Now we have with us Dr. S. Narayanan from the Mechanical Engineering Department. Dr. S. Narayanan from the Mechanical Engineering Department. From the Mechanical Engineering Department, we have with us Dr. K.V. Krishnangutti. Have with us Dr. M.K. Kumaran from Mechanical Engineering Department. Dr. M.K. Kumaran from Mechanical Engineering Department. Now we have with us Dr. K.S. Ramakrishnan from Mechanical Engineering Department. Dr. K.S. Ramakrishnan from the Mechanical Engineering Department. Now let's honor Professor C.K. Baby from Mechanical Engineering Department. Professor C.K. Baby from Mechanical Engineering Department. Sir K.V. Thomas from Mechanical Engineering Department. Professor K.V. Thomas from the Mechanical Engineering Department. Let's honor Professor K.M. Raju from Mechanical Engineering Department. Professor K.M. Raju from the Mechanical Engineering Department. Now let's honor Professor P.M. Hormus from Mechanical Engineering Department. We have with us Professor P.M. Hormus from Mechanical Engineering Department. Let's honor Professor Jisutan from Mechanical Engineering Department. Professor Jisutan from Mechanical Engineering Department. Now moving on to Guru Vandanam from the Civil Engineering Department. First we have Dr. T.K. George. Dr. T.K. George from the Civil Engineering Department. From the Civil Engineering Department, we have with us Dr. D. Sugumaran Thambi. Dr. D. Sugumaran Thambi from the Civil Engineering Department.
Now we have Professor Stephen J. Nigli from the Civil Engineering Department. Professor Stephen J. Nigli from the Civil Engineering.
Now we have with us Professor Ravindra Nathan from the Civil Engineering Department. Professor Ravindra Nathan from the Civil Engineering Department. Let's honor Professor V.V. Rama from the Civil Engineering Department. Professor V.V. Rama. Now we have with us Professor Rebecca Thomas from the Civil Engineering Department. Professor Rebecca Thomas. let's honor Professor Radha Devi from Civil Engineering Department. Professor Radha Devi from the Civil Engineering Department. We have with us Professor C.K. Upendran from the Civil Engineering Department. Professor C.K. Upendran from the Civil Engineering Department. Let's honor Professor Achama Charian from the Civil Engineering Department. Professor Achama Charian from the Civil Engineering Department. Moving on to the Electronics Engineering Department, we have with us Dr. Shivaraman. Dr. Shivaraman from the Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Dr. Pushpangadan from the Electronics Department. Dr. Pushpangadan from Electronics Department. Dr. Jay Shankar. Now let's honor Dr. Jay Shankar from the Electronics Department. Moving on to the honoring of the teachers from the Electrical Engineering Department. First we have with us Dr. K. Surendran. Dr. K. Surendran from the Electrical Engineering Department. Dr. K. V. Pavitran from Electrical Engineering Department. Dr. K. V. Pavitran from the Electrical Engineering Department. Now let's honor Professor Aniyamma Thomas from the Electrical Engineering Department. Professor Aniyamma Thomas from the Electrical Engineering Department. Now we have with us Professor Ashalada Tamburan from the Architecture Department. Professor Ashalada Tamburan from the Architecture Department. We have with us Professor N. Haridasan from the Mathematics Department. Professor N. Haridasan from the Mathematics Department.
Thank you all.